So good evening, brother.
Very good evening. How are you?
I am fantastic. And what about you?
I am also pretty good.
So as we are meeting first time, could you please introduce yourself at first?
Yes. My name is Vishal Duhani. I am from Haryana in India. And I work in government sector. I work in railway department. I am here from last 8 years. And I am 28 years old. I am married person. I have two children. And if you are talking about my educational background, I studied graduation. Nowadays, I am learning this language. Last year, I started speaking spoken English, and 1 month ago, I created my own channel. And may I know something about yourself?
Okay, thanks. Thank you so much as you have given me an opportunity. So first of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muaj bin Masood. I'm from Rangpur division from Bangladesh. I hope you know Bangladesh.
Yes,
Uh, we are two siblings. My sister is busy right now. This is why I am connecting to you alone. I study in class 7. I think that's all about me.
where this, where did this idea come in your mind that you should create your channel?
Sorry, pardon.
Where did this idea come in your mind that you should create your own channel?
Yes, actually, to be honest, first of when I didn't start my English journey in that time, my father inspired me to actually learn this language, and he also told me to create a YouTube channel and making video just for practicing purpose.
Okay. Until now, I think your channel is going very good. It's going smoothly. You are getting positive response from each and every side.
Yes, I also think like this. So, brother, English is not your mother language. Hindi is your mother language, maybe. So, how have you learned this language? What's this journey?
Okay, I took help from YouTube. I learned all things from YouTube only because I am in job, so I don't have time to going in offline coaching or online coaching. So in my free time, I usually watch YouTube videos. Sometimes it's news, sometimes it's motivational video, and sometimes I listen conversation videos. So I learned all things from YouTube only.
Okay, great conversation. Sorry, great journey. So, how long have you been learning English, brother?
Okay, last year I started speaking. Last year in March month, I purchased the application subscription. It is Josh application. So they provide you audio call facility, voice call facility. So every day I do practice there from last 1 year.
Okay, already I have visited your YouTube channel and I have seen a lots of video of from your YouTube channel, and I got much pleasure. So, tell me, when have you started your YouTube channel?
Okay, last month I started my channel on my daughter's birthday, 22 February.
Okay, can you tell me how many members in your family?
Yes, I will tell you. Including me, we are 6 person. My mother, father, my wife, and my son and my daughter. So we are six. I have two
Okay,
sisters, but they are married. They are living in their in-laws family.
okay. If you have, sorry, if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, how many members are there in your family? How many members are there?
There are four family members. They are my father, my mother, I, and my sister.
Okay, what is your goal in your life?
Actually, there are so many goals of my life. So first of all, I will tell you that my goal is in my life is to become an engineer. Also, I have one most important goal to go foreign countries for studying.
Okay, which country are you targeting? On which country do you want to go?
Actually, I haven't decided but I have actually I came to know that Canada is the actually most best country for education for studying. So,
Yes,
what do you
many students go
think
there.
should go?
But
As I told you that, what do you think? Which country should I go for study?
okay, many Indians also go there in Canada, in Australia, and in USA. But Canada is very popular. Canada and USA.
Yes, Canada or USA, right? Okay, great. So, actually, so brother, what do you do in a day to improve your spoken English?
Okay, nowadays I do video conversation. I connect with people and I record the video and I upload the video. Before uploading, I watch my videos and in I judge my video to myself and I try to don't repeat my mistakes again. So I learn from my mistake. And in my comment section or my friend or my relative provide me any suggestion or another person like you and me talking with each other, you provide me some suggestion that you are doing this thing good, you are doing this thing in the wrong way. So I will try to overcome my problems.
Okay, okay. So, if you have any question, important question about me, you can ask right now.
Okay, what is your favorite subject?
Actually, to be honest, my favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay. And what do you do to improving your communication skill?
Sorry, please once again.
What do you do to improving your communication skills?
Yes, actually, every single day I'm trying to connect with new people on Skype app to actually communicate with them, especially foreigner because their pronunciation, their spoken English style is very different than our countries. This is why every single day I'm trying to connect with new people, also that I can actually improve my communication skills, also my spoken English, speaking English.
Okay. Okay. When did you create your channel? When did you start your channel?
Yes, actually, I create my channel 4 months ago, 12th November 2023.
Really?
In that time, I uploaded so many videos, blog video, but nowadays, so I'm uploading in English conversational video. It is helping me so much.
Yes, it's helpful for you. Like you are learning this language and you are giving your contribution to society. Like many persons, they can watch your video and they will get motivation from your side that if this guy can speak English, then they also can speak.
Yes, also nowadays I'm getting so many comments that how to practice to speak English, how to practice speaking English. So I think people are knowing me also. People are learning in so many things from watching our video.
Yes, it's sharing and caring. We can share our cultures, traditions, and knowledge. So it's a way.
Yes, right. So brother, give us some suggestion. Give me that so that I can improve my spoken English more.
Okay, I am also a learner, but you can try to watch all things in English only. In everyone watch YouTube videos, so in YouTube all things are available, like medicine and yoga videos and news and songs, movies, all things available in English. So try to shift on English content rather than your native language.
Yes, yes. I know that listening at first to learn this language, we have to listen more and more. In that time when I didn't start my journey, I listened more speech, English lecture. I think through this actually listening, I learned so many things. And then we have to try to actually make a simple sentence in English. Then we have to
Okay.
go to
In
sitcom. and we have to practice more and more, I think.
In which medium are you studying?
Actually, I am studying in a normal medium school, private sector, you can say.
No, no, it's Hindi medium school or English medium school or which language do they speak?
Our mother language.
Okay, what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Bangla.
Okay, Bengal. In West Bengal also people use Bengali.
Yes, you know.
Okay, every language have four parts like LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So here you are speaking and listening. On YouTube you can do both things, listening and speaking. But you are also a student, and you have English subject?
Yes, I am having this subject.
Okay, okay, then you have also chance to read. So for reading purpose, you can read your academic book, and you can also do writing. So you are doing all things, and all skills are interrelated.
Yes, yes. So, brother, tell me how many languages can you speak in?
Okay, my mother tongue is Haryanvi. I know Haryanvi, Hindi, English, and Punjabi.
Okay. So, okay, I'm very interested to know something about your country, India. So, please tell me something about your country, India.
Okay, which thing do you want to ask?
Basic thing, basic.
Okay, okay. I live in Haryana state, and Haryana is a small state by population and by area, but it's doing very good in all fields. Like we are doing very good in sports. We give many uh, Olympic medal. We provide we are contributing in each and every sports. Some cricketers belong to Haryana, some footballers they also belong to Haryana, and we are doing in academic also very good. In farming, in agriculture, we are also doing very good. So, and Haryana people mostly they like milk-based product. Mostly person are vegetarian here, and wheat and rice is very popular here. The two crops are major crop here, and people like milk, cutter, curd, and butter. So mostly person they the source of milk they have cow, buffalo, and goat. So it's full of resources.
Okay.
And in
So,
Haryana, Gurugram is very developed. It's the IT hub of Haryana. And in Haryana, some another city also popular, like Panipat. Panipat is very popular for their battles. Panipat battle 1, 2, 3. It's included in history book of NCRT book.
so can you tell me what is the capital city of Haryana?
Chandigarh. Haryana and Punjab have same capital, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. So, which city are you from?
Okay, my hometown is Sonipat. It's near Delhi. Delhi is capital of our India, and I live in Panchkula city. It's very close to Chandigarh.
Okay, great.
Have you ever visited India?
Yes, I have a dream to actually visit your country, India. But if I get any opportunity, I will must visit here. Actually, to be honest, my father already has gone Kolkata for 2 times.
Okay, okay, most welcome here. In future, whenever you have opportunity, so come here, please,
Okay,
and
okay.
explore
So,
our India.
so if you also get any opportunity to come Bangladesh, definitely try to come my house.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay. So I think we should hang up this phone right now.
Yes, brother, it was it's already 15 minutes. Okay, best wishes for your future and for your channel.
Yes, best wishes for you, also for your channel, for your English journey. Thank you very much.
Same here. Thank you so much. Bye. Take
Have
care.
a good